Today we're going to go over an air handler and what it does. And basically it does exactly what it's saying. It's an air handler, so it's moving air and it's just handling the air that is going through a building. So the first thing we want to do, since we have moving air and moving parts, we want to make sure that we are safe. So we want to do a lockout tagout on the equipment. So we'll come over to the variable speed drive, we'll turn that off. And since we do not have a lockout spot here, we have to go back to the main power source. So we'll go over to our main power source over here, turn that off, and lock it out. Make sure that you keep the keys so it cannot be unlocked. You are the only one that's working on this unit right now, so you want to make sure that it is locked out and no one else can turn it on. In case you're working on something inside there, you don't want anybody to turn it on and then you'll get hurt. So that's our lockout tagout. So now back to the air handler. We're going to start with our return air and outside air. So we can bring in outside air to cool a building, or we just put it in return air mode so that we're moving the air around in the building. So since we are bringing in outside air, we do have a set of filters that it goes through first. This will filter the air, keep dirt from coming in. And that is the purpose for the filters. Then we come through our section of air as it's coming in, our return air. We're moving this direction. We can either heat or cool the air as needed. After it goes through that, there is a fan up on the top, and the fan circulates the air. That's what's actually doing the air movement, and this is the discharge side of the unit, which is our supply air.